Mm. Hi to all. This topic is declaring attributes in document type definition. The attributes of an element are declared separately from the element declaration in DTT. An attribute can be declared. An attribute declaration must include the name of the element to which the attribute belongs, the attribute name and its types. Also, it may include a default value. The general form of an attribute declaration is as follows. Here this topic is basically focused to how the attributes are declared in XML documents. The attributes must be declared the name of an element of the attribute to which it belongs and the attribute names and its types. Here this is the syntax of the declaration of attribute elements. The first it start with exclamatory and at list in capital letters, and then the element name and the attribute name and the attribute type and loss. This is in the within the square bracket. This is called the default value. Later we see what are the default values in XMLs. If more than one attribute is declared for a given element, more than one attribute is declared for a given element, the declarations can be combined as in the following examples. Here for the one element you can declare more than one attributes. Here in this example you can see this is the declaration of attribute. Start with the keyword at least. This is the element name. This is one attribute, second attribute, and also we can also include any number of attributes. So here it's given as attribute name n. So this is the syntax for declaring more than one attributes in a XML declaration. There are 10 different attribute types. Here, like data types in C and C++ languages, here in XML, there are 10 different attribute types. For this chapter, only one character data will be used. So, that type of data only explained here. This type is just any string of characters. There are 10 different attributes types are used in XML, but in this chapter, only one data type, that is C data, will be used. This type is just any string of characters that does not include less than and ampersand characters. The default value in an attribute declaration can specify either an actual value or requirement for the value of the attribute in the XML document. Here in the syntax, a default value is specified. The meaning of the default value is the default value in an attribute of in attribute declaration can specify either a default value or a requirement of the value of the attribute in XML document. In this table you can see possible default values for attributes. First one is a value. If you give a default value as a value, the quoted value which is used if none is specified in an element. If you doesn't specify in the element, the quoted value will be used in that element attribute. The second one is fixed value. The quoted value which every element will have and which cannot be changed. Fixed value means within the default value area what the content you give will not be changed. This is like the constant values. You cannot change the value of the fixed one. The third one is hash required. No default value is given. If no default value is given, every instance of the element must specify a value. If you doesn't give any default value, every instance of the element must have specify a value. The last one is implied. Has implied. No default value is given. If no default value is given, the browser chooses the default value. The value may or may not be specified in an element. It's defaultly chosen the default values. These are all the data default values for attributes. Let's see an example for attribute declaration. In this example, here we declare some more attributes for the plain.dtt example. Here the keyword at list, element name is aeroplane, attribute name is places, the data type is C data, the value that given is 4. Like that, another for one element you can define any number of attributes. Here the element name is aeroplane. You can declare more than one attributes. The first attribute is places, the second attribute is engine type, the third one is the price, and then the manufacturer. This engine type is C data. This one is required This one is the price attribute name. That data type is C data. This is implied. And the manufacturer C data. Already I tell in the example here, this in this place we only give the character data type only. Nothing else you can give. Only in this example we give character data types only for the attributes. The following XML element is valid for this DTT. Aeroplane is the element name, plane is the attribute name, the value is 10, and the engine type equal to jet. Engine type is equal to jet, because engine type you can given in the character data type and close this tag. Attributes that have fixed value in DTT may or may not be specified in the particular elements, because in this declaration, engine type C data the default value we given is record. So here it specified that the engine type is equal to jet, and here the default value is already given in the attribute declaration as 4. So here it is no need not to give the default value here. Once again I tell it, in this example attribute list, aeroplane is the attribute name, engine type is C data, this is record. Record means the value is record means no default value is given. Every instance of the element must specify a value. So this is the example of the XML attribute declaration. Attributes that include has fixed in the DTT may or may not be specified in the particular element instances. Thank you, girls.